Hi, this is Tom from Meross. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce our US version smart thermostat, which will be a game changer for your home's heating system. At the beginning, you need to know that this product is compatible with high line voltage electric heating systems like baseboard, convector, and fan-forced heaters. It brings smart control to your heating. Please note it's not compatible with 24-volt HVAC systems. Sorry, heat pump and air conditioner lovers. Now let's talk about what you will get from this product. You can control this thermostat from anywhere using the Meross app. Picture this. You're in bed and it's chilly. Just tell Siri, Google, or your Alexa to crank up the heat. How cool is that? You can also save money on heating with its 24/7 smart schedule and track your power usage for an eco-friendly lifestyle. We will walk you through the installation in this video, so get ready to heat things up with the Meross Smart Thermostat. Let's roll! Alright, before we start, you need to prepare these: a smartphone, a standard screwdriver, lineman's pliers, a wire stripper, and a voltage detector. Make sure your smartphone is close to the existing thermostat timer and that you are in the area with a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Okay, let's get to the first step: unboxing. Open up that Meross Smart Thermostat box. Inside, you will find the thermostat itself, cable labels, some screws, wire nuts, and a user manual. Safety first. Head over to your electrical panel and turn off the power to your heating system. Now, gently take down your old thermostat. Usually, it's just a matter of removing a few screws or clips and confirm that all wires in both electrical boxes are powered off using a voltage detector. You don't want any unexpected surprises, right? Take a look at the diagram provided and label those wires accordingly. We want to keep things organized and easy to follow, so find the right wires and label them. Live wire is usually fed from the top entry of the electrical box, and load wire is usually fed from the bottom.
L2 or N wires are usually red or white.
Your house may use different colors, but the functions shall be the same. After labeling the wires, take a photo for the future reference. Grab your trusty screwdriver and lineman's pliers. We are going to the wiring part. Loosen and unhook the wires using the screwdriver, and if needed, straighten them using the pliers. You may also need to trim the ends and strip about 1 cm of insulation from the wires. Then, take out your smart thermostat. Slightly loosen the screws on the bottom side of the thermostat. Please note that the screws cannot be completely removed here. Then, carefully separate the front half from the back plate. Now, it's time to connect the wires. We will use a 4-wire system as an example, which may be the same as the situation in most people's homes. Please note that Meross Smart Thermostat is not compatible with 2-wire systems. Use the provided wire nuts to connect the wires and ensure you wiggle the wires to keep them secure. Screw the thermostat back plate securely into the box. Then, gently press the front of the thermostat onto the back plate and tighten the screws. The above steps should help you correctly wire the connections. If you still have issues or lack confidence in the wiring process, we recommend consulting a local professional electrician. It's time to turn the power back on at your circuit breaker. Your thermostat will light up and be ready for action. Now, we will connect the thermostat to Meross app. If you use Apple Home, we also suggest using Meross app to pair the device so that the device can be added to Meross app and Home app at the same time. And there are many advanced features in Meross app, such as energy usage monitor, screen brightness adjustment. Click plus, choose MTS200. Scan the code. Pair. If you are not using Apple Home, please tap User in Meross app and link the device with Alexa or Google. Your Meross smart thermostat is up and running. Warmth and comfort are just a tap away on your smartphone. Thanks for watching this installation video, and remember, if you ever need a hand, we've got your back with our customer support.